Perfect. One swipe and perfectly clean. Windshield wipers are gonna be awesome. Let's see how it does with soap even. Here we go. Perfect. Look at that. Nice and clean. Highly recommend these windshield wipers for sure. Okay, last test. Let's see how it does right here. Oh yeah, perfect. Looking good. And here I have the Rain-X Latitude. These are the 22-inch version of blades. They have this little yellow protective sleeve on there. So we'll remove that. Just slide it off just like that. We'll remove that, but I need some new blades. These are the Bosch, and you can see that they're kind of getting bent up and very weathered, and even right here it's broken, so it's not getting rid of all that water. But these are very easy to replace. Really good blades. Magic Rain-X applies the water beating magic of Rain-X, all-purpose, all-weather performance, easy to install. Untreated or treated windows. So let's just pop this off of here. Oops, just like that. Okay, so that's how you take off the old blades. And then you're gonna do a similar thing right here. You're gonna actually pop this open right here, and then that's gonna go around there just like that. And you pull it in until it clicks, and then you'll snap this down until that snaps on. And then we'll just slide this protective sleeve off just like that. And you can already see it's going to contour the window really, really good and get rid of all that rain. And you can see it's got a nice cover on the windshield itself. But I mean, that's it. That's how fast they are to install. So really good blades. I'm going to put the other one on right now. And these have the kind of similar feature or a lot of blades do these days. Very easy. You can just do it one-handed, just like I'm doing right now. So that's what the old blade looks like, nice and dry rotted. Okay, and then take this off. That's what the new blade looks like. So nice Rain-X blade. This was a good Bosch blade, but it has served its time and it is done. So let's put the Rain-X on. Actually, I've got some water right here. Why don't we just do a test right here? Push this down, and look at that. All that water, it's like a squeegee, working perfectly. So let's put this on. So we'll pop this back, flip that back just like that. Okay, and then slide that in all the way. Slide that closed until it snaps, and that's it. And we are done. Rain-X Latitude, 22-inch, going on a GMC Yukon. These are going to be awesome. Can highly recommend. If you're needing windshield washer blades, these are the ones for you. Highly recommend. Definitely pick up a pair of these. All right, let's test out these windshield wipers. Oh yeah, here we go again. Let's test them again. Perfect. One swipe and perfectly clean. Windshield wipers are going to be awesome. Let's see how it does with soap even. Here we go. Perfect. Look at that. Nice and clean. Highly recommend these windshield wipers for sure. Okay, last test. Let's see how it does right here. Oh yeah, perfect.